said I don't need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know I can lie. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be doing this really quick hair tutorial for you guys. Yeah, so it shouldn't take too long. So yeah, so if you are interested, keep on watching. All right, so first and foremost, what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray our hair. We're just gonna spray it. I'm gonna put some oil in our scalp. Sorry guys, so my camera was acting up, so what I did was just did my edges, and then all I did was just take a scrunchie and then just pull everything to the back, and now I have like a ponytail in the back. And then next I'm going to show you guys how I turn that ponytail into like a bun. All right, y'all, so I'm all done. I just did my makeup. I just tied it down a little bit, and let me see. All right, let me just fix my hairline because I'm pretty sure it's a hot mess. Ooh, yes it is. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I think it looks really, really cute. It's very, very quick. It looks very chic, very classy. You know, if you go into like a date night or something like that, or if you're going to work and you want to look a little professional. So I really like this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think it's a yay or a nay. I'm gonna turn around real quick so you guys can see the back. So my camera died. Not died, but it kind of, I don't know, there's some crazy stuff going on with it. But anyways, so all I did was, after I braid them, I just tied them in the back, and then after that I took a scrunchie. I just tie them up into a bun. I showed you guys that part already, so you guys should already see how it looks. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of this look. If you guys want me to try any more styles, let me know down below. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.